students, in my new tutorial and in this program I'll be teaching you how to print odd numbers in any pattern. That means any amount of numbers, like for suppose I want to print the odd numbers from 1 to 50 by using the for loop. So regarding this I'll be starting a new program, clicking on file, new file, maximizing the window. Odd numbers from 1 to 50. That means in between whichever are the odd numbers it will take. Obviously odd numbers start from 1, 1, 3, 5 in this pattern. So how to go ahead? For that I'll be taking for loop, and this time for counter variable I am taking I. For I in range function, obviously starting from 1 until where I want to go? I want to go till 50. Now with this again comma I want to write, and along with this I want to write here 2. That means it will not go in series, it will go like 1, 3, 5 like this. Otherwise it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but if I am just making it to 2, then it will leave one number in between. Now I'll use the print command, print I, and I'll just save it. The students, I'll write odd numbers. So now I'll press F5. You could see it will print the numbers, all the odd numbers starting from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Again coming back to the program. So it's very simple, starting from the range, starting from number 1 till 50, and here I have given 2 just to omit one number in between. If I'll take it as 3, now it will start leaving 2 numbers in between. You could see here, I'll just for explanation purpose I'll click on save and F5. You could see here 1, 4, 7, 10. Now in 1, 2, 3 it has not printed. This is just for explanation purpose I was showing you. Again I'll go back to the program and again I'll make it to 2 because this is the correct program. So I hope you have learned how to omit the numbers in between, and with the example by using the odd numbers I have explained you, and with this I am closing my tutorial. And if you like my explanation, then please do like, share and comment, and also subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it earlier. Okay, bye bye, take care, meet you soon in my next tutorial.